I bought this portable DVD player on the 6th of March, 2017, received it through Amazon Prime on the 8th guaranteed. The girls and I were excited as we needed a new one. The package was secure and came with everything you saw in the pictures, accessories. I played Empire Records in it to check the sound out, which was better than our previous Sylvania brand. We love it. I am happy. This player is surprisingly durable, but still light enough to cart around everywhere. My kids do. I was only looking for an affordable option to play DVDs, and this does, so the USB and SD card options are a nice bonus. I'm still working on getting movies to play. Mine were the wrong format, so that's in the works, but I have successfully used both USB thumb drive and SD card to play games. Other people have mentioned the volume level, and using just the player, it's not very loud, but if you're able to run audio through your car or use headphones, you can sidestep that problem. Honestly, I did minimal research on this, so the game playing option was a mystery to me until it arrived, but this player has a native NAS emulator, meaning that I can play not only the games that you can download from their website, but also other ROMs I'd already downloaded to my computer, so my minions are thrilled about that. Battery power lasts longer than I expected, but will probably depend on the DVD use. I would absolutely recommend this for a cheaper option to keep on hand for road trips.